When is it time to replace your HVAC system? Whenever you start experiencing problems in your HVAC system, you should instantly be aware of the fact that your system either needs to be repaired or you need to think about replacing HVAC system entirely. In order to decide, you always have to take your financial stature into consideration, deciding on whether you want to keep spending money on the upkeep of the HVAC system you currently own, or investing in replacing HVAC system for one that is brand new. Newer systems mean higher efficiency, but you should only save replacement as a last resort, after your current system has given up on you several times in a short period. There are some factors that you need to keep an eye out for in order to determine whether you need to replace your HVAC system, or to simply get it repaired. Here are some factors that signify that the time has come for you to replace your HVAC system. The air conditioner or heat pump is over a decade old. When your heating units exceed a period of 10 years, you need to upgrade them with a unit that is more energy efficient and saves on the costs of heating and cooling. The boiler or furnace has exceeded 15 years of functionality. Both boilers and furnaces are big energy consumers. By fitting in energy-efficient boilers/furnaces, you can ensure that you save up on your energy bills by almost 15%. Your HVAC system is guzzling money in the form of repairs and escalating your energy bills. This simply means that your heating/cooling equipment has lost its optimal efficiency and needs to be replaced. There is uneven heat distribution in your household/workspace. The improper operation of your system could be due to duct issues or insufficient insulation. Your thermostat is not programmable and you do not remain at home for long periods. You need to get a programmable thermostat installed by an HVAC service company so that you can save money and energy even when you are not present to take care of the thermostat. You have a humid house. If you have equipment that is operating poorly or you do not have sufficient equipment, you can experience humidity in the hot summer months inside your house. If you also have leaky ducts, then you will also experience overbearing dryness indoors during winter and high levels of humidity indoors during summer. You have a large amount of dust in your home. Leaky ducts are the cause of excessive dust. This is because ducts that leak have a tendency of pulling particles and air from confined spaces like attics, basements and crawl spaces and distribute it to the rest of the house. You can try sealing your ducts as an alternative solution to replacing HVAC system. Your cooling/heating system is too loud. This can occur when you have a duct system that is undersized or there are some issues with the indoor coil of your cooling equipment. For more about heating Melbourne FL and HVAC Brevard County, visit comfortexpertsusa.com. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Ariana_Miller/1322859